This video is to help you with the sounds of the letters of the alphabet. Just a quick few lessons before we practice. This is a lowercase L. It is not a capital I. La lettre G has two sounds. G as in grande and J as in girafe. La lettre C a deux sons. K, comme dans le mot coq. Et ça fait aussi la lettre, le son S, as in se. La lettre Q, often students will say it has a Q or K sound, but it actually only has a K sound, similar to the C et la lettre K. K, as in coq, or as in que, or qui. La lettre O also has two sounds. O as in gros, and A as in or, which is the color gold. A, O et A. So I'm covering up the clues so that when we go through, you can see if you can remember. Now the sound sheet helps you also with these letters. O, A, comme or. G, comme grenouille, et J, comme girafe. La lettre C, S, et ça fait aussi le K. Here we go. I'll touch it first, and then you say the sound. L, G et J. B, 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 b. La lettre H n'a pas de son. I would prefer you not say shh as if it's silent. Some students believe that it makes a shh sound, but it actually has zero sound. It's a silent letter. K. Et ça fait le son S. J. K. U. W. E. I. V. P. Z. K. X. 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 Comme taxi. S. I. A. T. D. D. O. A. O. A. Not A, it's A. R or R.